Okay, it's critical when you read this question that you read this part of the question. And so you don't get stuck on doing something you shouldn't be doing, but do not evaluate it, all right? So please pay attention to that. Let's go for it. Express the arc length of the curve, y equals twice the tangent of x on the interval from 0 to pi over 3. And, just to give you an idea that we're looking at the tangent function, look at something like this over here. And we're going from 0 to pi over 3. So, it just, this part of the curve that we're looking at. Let me erase the rest of it. Erase this too. Let me just extend my axes here. So we're going from this point to that point, all right? What's the initial point going to be? 0, 0. What's this point over here going to be? Pi over 6. I'm sorry, pi over 3. Not that we have to evaluate it, but let's go through that. So y equals 2 times the tangent of pi over 3. Pi over 3 is a 60-degree angle. It's pretty easy to do that. It's going to be root 3 over 2, which is going to be root 3. All right? So someone says, do I need to draw the picture? Not really. It's a pretty simple problem. All right, let me erase this over here. What am I going to do? Arc length. Right, so let's write this down. Y equals 2 times the tangent of x. dy dx equals, that's going to be 2 secant squared of x. Let's write the formula down. We're moving along the x's. My x's, again, are moving from 0 to pi over 3. It's going to be the Pythagorean theorem. 1 plus the dy dx squared. So that's going to be what? The dy dx is 2 secant squared. And then you have the dx over here. Let's just simplify a tiny little bit. And what do you get there? 1 plus, well, 2 squared is 4. And secant squared 1 squared is secant to the 4th power. This would be the answer for the arc length. You're going to look at the K. We have enough work written over here, and make sure you're witnessing what we say it is. If you're not, though, bring it to the attention of your teacher. There could be an error in the notes, by the way, including, sometimes I misread something and misunderstand the question. It does happen. Thank you.